So what are the key deliverables for your project discovery? So remember, the discovery phase is that initial phase of a project where we identify and define the goals of the project, the scope, the requirements and risks before we start the project implementation. So here are some of the key deliverables that you get out of the project discovery. Goals and objectives. So you get clearly defined goals and objectives for your Dynamics 365 and Power Platform projects. And remember, those must be aligned to your company's strategy and goals as well. So if your company's strategy involves building key partnership with clients and partners, then having a system that supports having a consolidated and centralized view of clients and partners is actually key. User insights and feedback. So all the notes and results, from expert interviews, the shadowing sessions, the brainstorming and ideation session that we had will be provided as output and are valuable insight into evaluating the usability, desirability, and feasibility of the proposed solutions. Solution concept and design. So you also get visual diagrams and high-level designs that provide a clear representation of the proposed solutions and how they work together. Product backlog. So you also get a prioritized list of features, enhancements, and requirements for the solutions that you are envisioning, including an assessment of their feasibility, impact, and priority. Prototypes. So as part of the project discovery, we will create some working prototypes using, Dynamics 365 demos or Power Platform demos, using sometimes wireframes as well of the proposed solutions. So those are built in low fidelity forms, and it really allows users to interact and test solution ideas to make sure that we pick the best ones moving forward. Roadmap. So you also get a visual representation of the proposed features and when they should be delivered, including the relationships and dependency between different parts of the projects. And finally, recommendation report, which is a written report that summarizes the results of the project discovery, including all the key insights, finding, and recommendation for the next steps. And that recommendation report is also presented to your key stakeholders as a final delivery of the project discovery. Voila. I hope that you liked this video, and if that's the case, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I publish new content. See you in the next one.